Here I have HUAWEI MatePad 10.4, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then switch to the front camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings. Firstly let me take like one photo with this feature enabled. Cheese! Oh, okay, it already did. So, it even like asks me if I want to enable or if I want to disable this feature, like when you firstly open front camera. So let's set it like to be turned on, but if you want to turn it off because you like accidentally set it to turn on, you go to settings and here you have mirror reflection. So when you like have this feature disabled, your photos will look like this, and when you have it enabled, they look like this. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.